Busy working moms, let's cook a quick weekday dinner that you can do because you forget to take the chicken out of the fridge, right? Yeah, that's what happened to me. I forget to take the chicken out of the fridge. So I had no choice but to stop on my way home to pick up this chicken from the grocery store. So you want to cut up this chicken really small because I'm cooking Jamaican style stewed chicken with some food. Yes, girl, dumpling and banana and yam. What is your favorite side to go with your stewed chicken? Now, as I said, I'm cutting it up really small, and then I'm gonna wash it. Of course, my island girl, you know, if you ask me for wash my chicken, and I'm gonna season it up with, you know, my regular seasonings, my paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. I've been out of green season for a while now, and I really need to make some green seasonings. Yeah, come to think about it. And yeah, Miss Bougie, yeah, coming on my video. I do a thing before she go and go help me cook the food. Yeah. Teenagers, right? Me don't know how we manage to deal with them. Because let me tell you, anyways, that's for another video. Let me go and eat my dumpling. So I'm gonna add my cornmeal to my flour, some salt, and you're gonna tip your water a little bit at a time. And I usually use a spoon to start off mixing up my flour, my dough, before I put my hands in it and put those muscle and strengthen it to combine the flour, right? After this is done kneaded, then you let it rest for a little bit. Yep. And then after it's rested, now I come back to it. Then I like to section it off and then put it off again to rest for a little bit. I get this nice yam. Listen, Ireland girls, if you need good yam, go to the African store. Yes, them have the nice good yam because me can't trust myself to buy yam, especially yellow yam in Canada. That's one skill I don't have is picking the right yam. By the way, do you peel your green bananas in this day and age? Me don't know. Me still peel my banana. Me just don't trust myself to cook it in the skin. And look at our chicken. Me never really show you still the steps in doing this brown stew chicken. If you're interested, I might do another video the next time I'm cooking brown stew chicken. So just let me know in the comments if you want to see the step by step, right? Now, you let it simmer, let it cook. After you know that it's coming on really nice, the gravy thicken up, then we're going to add some bell peppers and some green peppers. We call it scallion in Jamaica. And you're going to taste it and make sure say it tastes just right and it have the right amount of gravy. You don't want it a long watery gravy. No, we do thick gravy over here. Did you know the secret to not let your green banana water turn black? Add a little toops of vinegar. Now I'm sharing out my dinner and let me know how much of these boiled dumplings would you eat and with this nice stewed chicken. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you follow